So you are looking for facts and benefits about Apple? Here are a few facts about Apple you may not have known. Before going forward, please do subscribe and watch till end this video. We don't want you to miss any benefits of apples. Apple was very popularized in America and has now become one of the most common fruits in many parts of the world. People get an apple as a treat in the morning or as a snack between meals. Eating apple every day, which should include juice, can be a very good thing to do. Many people still do not know about the benefits of eating apple daily. You may wonder why you should start eating an apple instead of the other fruits that you can get at the supermarket. The apple's nutritional value is very good for our body. We can enjoy these benefits by eating an apple every day. We can also know about the benefits of eating apple. It is also known to be good for our health, but we do not know about its other benefits. Apple can be used in the detoxification process of the body. People who are having problems in their digestion and the liver also can benefit from apple detoxification. However, it is important to avoid eating apple as a regular food. There are many apple detoxification benefits. People who are suffering from acne and cellulite will get benefit from apple detoxification. The apple will help to flush the toxins out of the body. Apple is a good detoxifier, which also acts as antioxidant, helping to make the body healthy. You can enjoy eating apple every day, without worrying about your health.